Alright, hey guys, so I've been trying to film this damn video for like ever. But she just did not want to come out because I got sick, and then one of the products came like in 2 days, and the next one barely came like 2 days. So annoying. But today we are going to be reviewing the Dragun Beauty mascara and this is explicit mascara, and you can read it right here, fill in the word for yourself, proof mascara. So let's first compare the packaging. So I got this one, and just like a little like bubble wrap type of thing. You know how Amazon sends it like that? And then this was bubble wrapped itself as well. So this is the outer packaging, how it looks. Very basic, very on brand with you know, Dragun Beauty's packaging. Like this here, how it is. Now right off the bat, I am already liking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics packaging. I think he always kills it on packaging. There hasn't been anything that I don't like from his packaging, besides probably the 80 palette. Really didn't like that package, but this is the thing, and then we'll get to the wand in a little bit. And then this is how the Jeffree Star's mascara came in this little box. It has a little magnetic clasp, and then I just feel like this could just be sitting on a pedestal like this, and like, I need my mascara, and then this just opens as you walk in the room, and then you just take it out like this. My proof mascara, the component, how it goes. Really love it. This is like, I think this is leather, right? And then here's the little whip. I haven't took this off. I think I'm just gonna leave it. The whip is detachable, so if you don't want your mascara walking around, you know, walking around with your mascara having a whip at the end of it, you can take it off. So this is the wand. Very small and very like, I don't know if you can see, you know how mascara, the ridges right here? So it's supposed to get every lash. So this one has, this one is more chunkier, and I feel like it gives you more product with each thing. And this one, it goes between the lashes more, I feel like. I haven't tried this one yet. But this one I feel like is like for quick coating, and this is for like detail coating, if you get what I'm trying to say. Also, I like that this one's bigger and this one's smaller, because I like to use the small wands for the bottom lash and the big wands for the top lash. So these are how the wands look when they are out. Start with the mascara. This is the Jeffree Star one. So let's go ahead and see how the big wand will work versus the little ones, because I feel like the Nikita's explicit one will get into the lashes like better, and then this one is more like it coats more, but I feel like this one would be more, a little bit more chunky like on the lash. So let's go ahead and see, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Like I said, like I predicted, it's more clumpy. I don't know if you can see it, like it has you know when you do mascara and it leaves the little clumps, but that's okay. I liked how it coated it easy. I think after like 2-3 strokes it went on really good. Now let's go ahead and dip back in just a little bit and do the bottom lash so we can see. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because so those are the bottom ones done. You can totally tell that they are coated. Personally, I don't like doing the bottom lashes because I feel like they look like spider legs and spiders creep me out, and I just don't like how that looks. So I usually don't coat the bottom. So like I said, this one is looking a little more chunky, more clunkier on the lashes. So let's go ahead and let that sit, and then we're gonna go ahead and try the Explicit mascara now. Hopefully this will get in there more. Now Nikita, so Jeffree's reveal video compared to Nikita's little reveal on her Instagram, she did it with lashes, and I wish I would have seen it without lashes. So that's why I'm also doing this without lashes. Jeffree did it without lashes, so that's why I liked his reveal better. Let's go ahead and get started. Definitely can feel the light, it's more lighter than the Jeffree Stars mascara. And I can definitely feel it working in between the lashes more, rather than just like on top. These are how the lashes look. They both feel lightweight. You know, sometimes you put mascara on and you just feel like the clumpiness just being on your eyes. So I will say that I do like the e.l.f. proof mascara over the Explicit proof because this one really just coated it really well and really fast too. This one I had to keep dipping back in because I felt like nothing was there, you know. So it's no wonder why she probably we just used the lashes for this reveal. Also the size difference, yeah. I'm not a size queen, but yeah, so I think I like the e.l.f. proof mascara more actually in my eyelashes better than the little one, which had a little like more finer, you know, bristles or whatever to go in the lashes. This is the complete battle. It was the battle of the brands, and I have to give it to Jeffree Star Cosmetics with their mascara. They both came out at the same time. I think just a week apart, maybe, I think, or in the same week. I can't remember. But they, this one is more luxurious. Like, I would coat my falsies with these, and then this one I would probably just use if like I'm just having a natural type of day and just, you know, just throw this in your bag. This one's more like a fancy, like, you know. But yeah, I think they're only $1 difference. I forgot which one is more, but I'll post that up top somewhere on the video, put the prices and the ounces and whatnot. But yeah, so this was the review, and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, leave a like. It helps. Liking, dislike, comments, whatever, you know, it helps me out. So you want to talk shit to me, go ahead, but I do talk back. Want to subscribe or link or whatever, go ahead and do that, because I do not hate on, I just like to play with makeup, okay? I'm not over here, anyways, you know. So yeah, also get this fucking thing because it's really good too. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.